Now, let's proceed to our short quiz. I prepared 10 questions na pwede nyong itry na sagutan and you can use your paper and pen para makapagsagot and kada isang tanong is lalabas din agad yung mga sagot. Are you ready? Number 1. Which of this is true of the endocrine system? Letter A. Secretes hormones that are transported to target cells by blood. Letter B. Causes changes in metabolic activities. Letter C. Effects are prolonged. Or letter D. All of above are true. A, B, C, D. The correct answer is letter D. All of these are true about the endocrine system. It secretes hormones that are transported to target cells by blood. It also causes changes in metabolic activities, and it also affects are prolonged. Number 2. The endocrine gland responsible for the body's circadian rhythm is the A. Thymus gland, B. Pineal gland, C. Parathyroid gland, or D. Pituitary gland. The correct answer is letter B. Pineal gland. Your pineal gland is a tiny endocrine gland in the middle of your brain that helps regulate your body's circadian rhythm or yung ating body clock by secreting the hormone melatonin. Pineal melatonin is a hormone that regulates the body's daily circadian clock, and so melatonin is commonly used in human research to understand the body's biological time. There is a rhythm to the biology of the pineal gland, and melatonin is secreted according to the amount of daylight a person is exposed to. It varies with changes in day length, and this is why the pineal gland is sometimes referred to as both an endocrine clock and an endocrine calendar. Number 3. Which of this is not an endocrine property? Letter A. Hormones reach targets through the blood. Letter B. Effects are slow and cyclic. Letter C. Rapid acting effects. And letter D. Effects caused by chemicals. The correct answer are letter C. Rapid acting effects. Because the signal transmission of the nervous system is fast because neurons are interconnected, but the functions are more short-lived. Signal transmission in the endocrine system is slow since hormones must travel through the bloodstream, but the responses tend to last longer. Next number 4. The primary target of the releasing and inhibiting hormones of the hypothalamus is the letter A. Liver and adipose tissue, B. Gonads, C. Anterior pituitary, or letter D. Bone marrow. The correct answer is letter C. Anterior pituitary. The posterior portion of the pituitary gland is an extension of the hypothalamus and maintains neutral connections between the two. The neurosecretory cells synthesize oxytocin and ADH, which are transported along the axons to the capillary bed to the post-pituitary gland. The posterior pituitary stores those hormones and secretes them when necessary. The anterior pituitary gland and the hypothalamus are connected through a vascular connection. It is called the portal system. Releasing and inhibiting hormones are secreted from the hypothalamus and go to the anterior pituitary to regulate secretion of its hormones. Number 5. Which of these is not an endocrine gland? Letter A, pancreas. Letter B, testes. Letter C, salivary gland. And letter D, parathyroid. The correct answer is letter C, salivary gland. Salivary glands are not part of the endocrine system. Despite being a gland that produces fluids and enzymes, salivary glands are classified as exocrine glands, meaning they secrete substances that pass outside the body rather than flow through the bloodstream or act on internal organs. Number 6. Which gland controls basal metabolic rate or the BMR? Letter A, thyroid. Letter B, parathyroid. C, testes. Or letter D, pancreas. The correct answer is letter A, thyroid. The basal metabolic rate or the BMR is the minimum amount of energy needed by the body to maintain the body activities. Thyroid gland controls the BMR by producing various hormones needed for maintaining the oxidation rate and energy production. Number 7. Which hormones of the adrenal glands supplement the sex hormones from the gonads? Letter A, mineralocorticoids such as aldosterone. Letter B, glucocorticoids such as cortisol. Letter C, nodocorticoids such as the androgens. Or letter D, epinephrine and norepinephrine. The correct answer is letter C, nodocorticoids such as the androgens. Androgens are sex hormones that promote masculinity. They are produced in small amounts by the adrenal cortex in both males and females. They do not affect sexual characteristics and may supplement sex hormones released from the gonads. Number 8. All of the following are hormones of the anterior pituitary except letter A, human growth hormone, letter B, follicle stimulating hormone, letter C, parathyroid hormone, or letter D, thyroid stimulating hormone. The correct answer are letter C, parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone, also called parathormone or parathyrin, is a peptide hormone secreted by the parathyroid glands that regulates the serum calcium concentration through its effects on bone, kidney, and intestine. Number 9. The secretions from which of these glands differs between males and females? Letter A, adrenal. Letter B, parathyroid. Letter C, gonadal. And letter D, pancreas. The correct answer is letter C, gonadal. All the endocrine glands that are present in males and females are the same except for the gonads. In males, male testes produce androgens while female ovaries produce estrogen and progesterone. The gonads, the primary reproductive systems, are the testes in the male and the ovaries in the female. These organs are responsible for producing the sperm and ova, but they also secrete hormones and are considered to be endocrine glands. Number 10. How do hormones from the thyroid and parathyroid regulate the How do hormones from the thyroid and parathyroid regulate the calcium concentration of the blood? Letter A, calcitonin lowers blood calcium. Parathyroid hormone raises blood calcium. Letter B, parathyroid hormone lowers blood calcium. Calcitonin raises blood calcium. Letter C, thyroxine and triiodothyronine together regulate calcium levels as needs dictate. And letter D, both parathyroid hormone and the three thyroid hormones function to regulate blood calcium levels. The correct answer is letter A. Calcitonin lowers blood calcium. Parathyroid hormone raises blood calcium. Calcitonin is a hormone that your thyroid gland makes and releases to help regulate calcium levels in your blood by decreasing it. Calcitonin opposes the actions of the parathyroid hormone, which is a hormone that increases your blood calcium levels. Calcitonin is a hormone that the C cells in the thyroid gland produce and release. It opposes the action of the parathyroid hormone, helping to regulate the blood's calcium and phosphate levels. Calcitonin works to control calcium and potassium levels. And yes, this is the answer key of our quiz. Number 1, letter D. Number 2, letter B. Number 3, letter C. Number 4, letter C. Number 5, letter C. Number 6, letter A. Number 7, letter C. Number 8, letter C. Number 9, letter C. And number 10, letter A. And that's all for our content. I hope na meron kayo natutunan about science and about the endocrine system. And yun lang. See you to our next vlog.